alone is exciting, and sows many rich qualities into your life that will last you a lifetime. But traveling solo is also hard work and takes a lot of good foresight. By planning well, you will make it more likely that your solo trip will be full of great memories instead of avoidable disasters. Here are several tips on how you can make your solo trip an experience to fondly remember. Save more money than you think you need. You may have figured out all the budget-friendly travel tips available, but there may always be a need for more money than you have. You don't want to be stuck in an unfamiliar country, alone and without the necessary funds to purchase what you need. When you are traveling solo, it is especially important to plan ahead financially and ensure you bring more than enough money along. Plan ahead thoroughly, and prepare for emergencies. Now is not the time to throw caution to the wind. When you are traveling alone, think of every single detail. Before you leave on your vacation, brainstorm about all the things that could go wrong. Talk with your friends who have been on a solo trip, and ask them to help you think of anything you may have missed in the planning. Be thorough in your thought process. Hope for the best, but prepare yourself for the worst. Have a friend assigned as a designated emergency contact. Traveling solo means that there is no one with you in case of an emergency. It is wise to have a friend or family member at home who you contact regularly, and who will sound the alarm if a day goes by without hearing from you. Give this friend a daily update of your whereabouts, and if applicable, who you are planning to be with. Take risks, but not too many. Use this time to explore all the activities you have wanted to do. Try things like scuba diving and parasailing if that is your desire. Check items off your bucket list, and in that sense, throw caution to the wind. Don't cross the line into recklessness, though. Be safe about who you meet and give personal information to. Don't become intoxicated, and don't wander around alone at night. Be courageous, but safe. Trust your intuition. Perhaps you are the type of individual who is friendly and doesn't want to hurt anyone's feelings. If so, don't forget to keep your own interests at top priority. If someone gives you the creeps, don't be afraid to walk away, or even report the individual to someone who can help you if needed. Your solo trip will be one of the most fascinating times of your life. There are many things you can do in preparation that will help you to have a successful and safe trip. Follow the tips listed, and above all, have fun. With the right planning and thought going into it, this trip is sure to make up some of the fondest memories that you will cherish for a lifetime.